Yo, Kia!
Guess she isn't back yet.
Hey, guys! Kia! I'm back from the puppy doctor and ready to puppy pound! So, what'd I miss?
Well, while you were gone, we just had the best puppy picnic ever.
You would have loved it.
Yeah, there was food, friends, and fun.
The only thing missing was you.
Oh, how nice.
Don't be sad for us. We had a great time, I promise.
I'm not sad for you. I'm sad I missed it.
No picnic, happy fun times. Not for Kia. Just you and me, Floor.
You and me against the world.
I don't like seeing Kia like this, folks.
We gotta do something, quick.
Maybe it would cheer her up if we threw Kia her own picnic party.
We could do that?
Yeah.
Sure, it'll be our mission to throw you the perfect puppy picnic.
Woohoo! Thank you!
Boop bop, did Arf hear Bingo say mission?
Absolutely, Arf. Let's get this puppy picnic party started.
Let's go! On your bar, get ready, got a lot to do. It's gonna be an awesome adventure. We're super duper extra overly excited to be going on a mission, going on a mission. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go! Ba, 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 ba. We're going on a mission, going on a mission. Ba, 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 ba. We're going on a mission, going on a mission.
All right, if we're taking Kia on a puppy picnic, we'll need...
A blanket, puppy toys, and a picnic basket full of treats.
Puppies and robots! Our perfect puppy picnic place, the dog park.
Ah, the dog park. Great idea, Rolly. So what do we do first?
We set out our picnic blanket.
Easy peasy. It's everything I imagined. Birds chirping, the wind in my fur.
A bunch of dogs running at us?
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Gonna get you, squirrel! Gonna get... Whoa! Sorry! Squirrel, 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 squirrel! Woo-wee! Excuse us, squirrel!
Ah! Our picnic blanket!
Whoa, that was crazy! Now, what was I doing? Oh, yeah! Squirrel! Woo, yeah!
Maybe the dog park's a little busy for a puppy picnic.
Yeah, let's find some place less busy.
What about the beach? It's usually never that busy.
Picnic at the beach? I love that idea.
Let's do it!
Ah, the beach. Now this seems like a good place for a puppy picnic.
It's beautiful.
It's everything I imagined since you mentioned the beach a few minutes ago. The gentle breeze, sunshine on my fur. The ocean waves taking away our picnic basket. After that basket!
Better stay here, Arf. Water makes you go... Know what I mean?
Arf does know. Arf will protect the blanket.